Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple cold coffee at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need instant coffee, cold water, sugar, and your preferred milk. For a single serving, 1 to 2 teaspoons of instant coffee is usually perfect. Make sure you have a tall glass ready, filled with plenty of ice cubes, to ensure your drink is perfectly chilled from the start. Now, let's create the rich coffee base. In a small bowl or mug, combine your 1 or 2 teaspoons of instant coffee with about 2 tablespoons of hot water and your desired amount of sugar. Stir this mixture vigorously for about 30 seconds until the coffee granules and sugar are completely dissolved. This step is crucial for a smooth, lump-free cold coffee, forming a concentrated syrup. With your coffee concentrate ready, it's time to assemble your delicious cold coffee. Carefully pour the dissolved coffee mixture over the ice cubes in your tall glass. Next, add about 1 cup or 240 milliliters of your favorite cold milk. You can use dairy milk, almond milk, or oat milk. Stir everything gently for about 10 to 15 seconds to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and evenly chilled. Finally, your simple homemade cold coffee is complete. Take a sip and adjust the sweetness if you like by adding a little more sugar or a dash of syrup. For an extra treat, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. This quick and easy recipe ensures you can enjoy a perfectly refreshing cold coffee anytime, right in the comfort of your own home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.